Welcome back everyone to part 12 of the FJ45 restoration series. So as you saw in the previous video, we got the roof fully laid down with body filler. We welded the floor, we welded some more on the back of the cab. It's done. Needs a little bit of cleaning up. That's what we're gonna do in this video. We're gonna grind down the welds on the floor. We're gonna grind some welds on the back of the cab. There's a little bit of welding we need to do some more. We're gonna make some epoxy happen today too. And we'll go from there. So that's what we're gonna see next. Oh, I'm tired. Okay guys, so we used the wire brush of the grinder, grinded a bunch of stuff down. Yep, all the rust is taken care of. Now we have this. So if you don't notice, the wheel is out of air. I mean, you can tell by the way that it is. So we got this ancient 12-volt compressor.
Which is older than me.
Yep, pretty sure it's older than us, both combined. Okay guys, so we still have a couple of welds at the back of the cab that we're gonna take care of right now. Okay guys, so we've done welding to the back of the cab. We got a little bit of stuff you saw us weld. Now we just got delivery. By delivery I mean we went to the store, or he went to the store and got some epoxy, some other painting supplies. So I'm gonna be gone. They're gonna continue with the prepping and epoxying a bunch of stuff. So stay tuned.
Okay guys, so the back of the cab is ready for some epoxy. As for the ground, the floor panels, I'm gonna vacuum clean everything, and then it's time to lay down some epoxy. Okay guys, so now it's time to lay down some epoxy.
What is going on in here? Watch out, engineer on site. Okay guys, so we've done a lot of progress today. We got some welding done, we got done with the metal work on the body, cab, floors, bunch of stuff. We grinded a lot of stuff. Then
The back of the cab.
back of the cab too. Then we sprayed some epoxy on every panel that we grinded. So, in the next video, we're gonna be starting the body work on the floor, possibly back of the cab, maybe the cab, and we're gonna be removing the bed of the truck. So stay tuned for the next video. That's it. Well, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like the video. See you next time. Peace.